Rebel Kid and Kaleshi Aurat. She was actually talking nonsense about everyone behind their back. That is who she is. It's sad. That's how she makes a living.
I was there at the trailer launch of The Traitors and I saw Apurva said,
I think people just think that being a red flag is about lying, manipulation, and deception. And all of that is true. But to do all of that, you require brains, which unfortunately most of these people don't have.
Definitely, बहुत brain cells चाहिए होते हैं, but अपूर्वा के लिए उतने ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए.
Yes, first I want to address Apurva. She said nobody uses more than one brain cell. Darling, I use all of them for a living.
How does a person maintain their credibility after that? Urfi is the one who can be influential to people. वो जो कहती है इसको वोट करेंगे तो 2, 3, 4, 5 लोग मान जाते हैं.
ट्रेटर्स में जीतने कौन वाला है? Hi guys, this is Sonal और today with me is Nikita Luthar. आपने इन्हें ट्रेटर्स में देखा होगा, दी ट्रेटर्स जो रियलिटी टीवी शो करण जौहर जिसे होस्ट कर रहे हैं प्राइम वीडियो पर जो चल रहा है. एंड टुडे शी इज़ हियर विथ मी इन कॉन्वर्जेशन. यू ऑल्सो हैव टू नो दैट शी इज़ इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट फीमेल पोकर प्लेयर. शी इज़ अ प्रोफेशनल पोकर प्लेयर और ट्रेटर्स में बहुत सारे लोग इन्हें थ्रेट समझते हैं. I'm just happy that I get to make acquaintance of her today here. Hi Nikita, कैसे हो आप?
I'm very good. I'm enjoying this craziness, complete switch of industry, and I've been welcomed with open arms. And thank you for having me.
ऐसे आपने कभी सोचा था कि maybe someday you will end up in a reality TV show?
Actually, I've already been on a reality TV show, but a poker one.
Yeah.
So, actually, I never thought that the outside world would be interested, and that is why it was so cool that Traitors called me, because when they called me, I said, no, I'm not going to put my reputation, my image on the line. You know how people are just abusing each other on reality shows, talking shit about each other. And I'm like,
the drama.
I said, I'm not built for that. I don't want that. And they assured me it's going to be a strategic reality show, and that's why they are reaching out to a poker player. Otherwise, why would they?
Right.
So after that, I was sold.
आपको ऐसा लगा कि आप अपने जो प्रोफेशनल पोकर में जो आप स्ट्रैटेजीज यूज़ करते हो, आपको वो इस शो में यूज़ करने का मौका मिला? Did you feel that you were able to, you know, take advantage of your skills?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, one of the biggest things about this whole show was picking up on reads and tells and patterns. Okay, so लोगों की body language कितनी nervous हो रही है जब हम circle of shock anyway is so anxiety filling.
I'm sure.
And how nervous people are, how their eye movement is, how patterns में आ गया कि कौन किसको वोट कर रहा है, किस टाइम वोट कर रहा है. तो ये सब मैंने mathematically approach करा और वो मेरी background in poker helped me a lot to do that.
Yeah, but we have to talk about the elephant in the room. First day, you arrived at the Traitor Palace. And unknowingly, unexpectedly, I don't think viewers ने भी expect किया था कि first day ही महल में जाने से पहले ही elimination हो जाएगा. And you were not even on the line.
Yeah.
You were just thrown under the bus. How was that feeling?
I was very gutted, and मेरे को पता था कि मैं जब जाऊंगी there'll be a target on my back because I'm so unfamiliar. I'm out from outside the industry and I will intimidate other people. But ये नहीं सोचा कि 5 minutes में I'll be out. You know, it was so heartbroken.
Quite literally.
And they didn't tell me for 1.5 days after that I'm going back on the show. So it was very real for me. I guess they wanted my rage to be real when I go back on the show, and they wanted
तो
it to
वो moment में आपके लिए it was like कि खत्म.
घर जाओ. They put me in a car half an hour away, took me to a different hotel, returned my luggage. It was over for me. Like in my head, it was over.
That was their strategy. They played with you also.
Yeah. These show people are very sadistic.
And
I'm
then,
telling you.
जब third episode में Nikita came back, I was like, wow. When actually जब निकिता को first episode में निकाल दिया गया था, I was like, I'm sure there's a catch. I'm sure there will be a wild card entry. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. And I was so happy that somewhere, somehow, I was like, I knew it.
I think a lot of people felt your emotion. वो जो ना-इंसाफ़ी वाली feeling होती है ना.
Absolutely.
And then when I was introduced back, they're like, thank God we get to see you. And actually that helped me gain some sympathy with the audience, which otherwise wouldn't have really been that interested in supporting me because
Yeah.
they're such powerhouses, such big
Right.
following, such a strong cast.
Right.
But then suddenly now they're like, okay, we want to see more of her.
Right.
Like they were robbed of that experience.
ठीक है, तो आपको जब निकाला गया था आपको ऐसा लगा कि दिस इज इट, एंड देन when they called you कि you're going back into the महल,
Yeah.
how was that feeling?
Actually, by the time they told me it was 1.5 days और मेरा phone अभी तक वापस नहीं दिया था.
Oh,
तो by night time I was like अब तो कुछ
तो होगा.
तो कुछ तो होगा. Like
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है
दया.
दया.
वापस दिया. But yeah, then I was just in a room
right.
with no phone, no internet. Then I was very angry, but then I'm like, अच्छा phone नहीं आया तो this is a tell. Yeah.
कुछ तो होगा. तो जब आपको पता चला आप रिटर्न जाओगे तो
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. So by then I started expecting it, but then I was like, then I was planning my next steps. कि अब मेरी क्या अब next strategy क्या होएगी, because I'm again going to have a target on my back.
Right.
I am the poker player. I
Right.
am a threat. So then I'm like, I will go and be a complete fool.
Right.
मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, मैं कितनी confused हूँ, मैं कितनी बुद्धू हूँ, मेरे को कुछ समझाओ. So I was basically, I was playing this
dumb. You were
person.
playing dumb.
Yeah, I was playing dumb, but I fully had a plan of
Oh,
action,
of
step by
course.
step, of how I want to approach the game.
तो when you finally made it there, आपको लगा जो हुआ अच्छे के लिए हुआ, two steps back, 4 steps ahead.
Exactly.
Right?
100%. Because otherwise I was gone in the first, second episode
Yeah.
and with no comebacks like Sahil or
right.
Raj.
Yeah, they
And-
were quite literally eliminated, like murdered in the night.
Yeah.
And then शक के circle में
Exactly.
निकाल दिया गया था. My God.
From that, there's no coming back because that is within the rules of the format. I went out outside of the rules and
Right.
that gave me a big
Right,
advantage.
right.
So,
Kejo mentioned it, right?
जो
And it was
हुआ,
so good.
अच्छे के लिए हुआ जैसे आपने बोला.
Right. So when that happened, when you were asked to leave, Lakshmi was the one who actually saved you in the round of trust. आप दोनों पहले से friends थे?
No, we met in the car, but she mentioned that she had heard of me from a common friend of ours. And that's why she said, oh, you are that girl who plays amazing poker. And I think Raftar had also heard of me. So
Yeah.
out of everyone on the show, only 2 people had sort of heard of me from before, and they were both coincidentally in my car.
Oh,
So,
how sweet.
so we really got along really well. And actually, Lakshmi and I are very good friends till date. Like, we were together on New Year's Eve. Celebrating New Year's Eve together, so very like good friendships. came
That
out
was
of
much before the Traitors happened.
No, the Traitors was shot in September. I'm not sure I was supposed to say that, but it was, yeah.
It's okay, you
I'm sure
check.
people know, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. And we're finding it out now, guys. ऐसा लग रहा है कि हमारे साथ in real life, in real time, ये anxiety driven show जो हमें लेके जा रहा है.
We've been living with that for like 9 months. It's like
Yeah,
a
how
baby
did
being
you-
birthed now.
How did you do that? How did you keep it in? I'm sure आपके लिए तो, I mean, you keep in stuff all the time when you're playing.
Yeah. For me, it was easy, but a lot of the contestants have been, very like anxious and like talking to their friends and all. I've not even told some of my best friends. Actually, I've not told any of my best friends. I've told my family about the results.
Yeah.
But I've not told like my school friends or anything like that about the results. 'Cause-
Towards the end, we're gonna ask Nikita to give us a hint.
Yeah.
Do you think she'll give us a hint? We'll see.
I will.
We'll
But,
see.
Yeah.
Did you think before going in? Like, I was there at the trailer launch of The Traitors, and I saw when Apurva said that everyone else, they don't use their brain cells, and everyone's using just one brain cell, and all of that. And I heard your comeback to her also.
Yeah.
How many brain cells does a poker player use? Please educate our audience.
Poker is a very cerebral game. उसके काफी bad taboo attached है कि वो gambling and all. It's actually a skill mathematical game like chess. It is taught in MIT and Harvard, which are the smartest universities
Wow.
of the world, are teaching theoretical poker as a credit course because of the mathematical nature,
Right.
and then it preps you for taking business decisions in real life as well.
Wow.
So it's a very intelligent game if you approach it like, in that sense. And like many courts in India also rule it as a skill game.
Yeah.
So बहुत ज़्यादा mental toughness. I have the best coaches in the world that I'm working with. I have, there are training softwares and solvers. So definitely बहुत brain cells चाहिए होते हैं, but अपूर्वा के लिए उतने ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए because show देखने के बाद मेरे को समझ आ रहा है कि उसको सबके बारे में negative like this. She's
Yeah.
just throwing up on people
Yeah.
and talking nonsense, and there's not too positive words. So how does a person maintain their credibility after that?
Do you think that may have been her strategy, or do you think it was just naturally happening?
She was actually talking nonsense about everyone in the video diaries behind their back. On the
Oh,
surface,
yeah,
she
yeah,
wasn't
right,
really
yeah.
saying. So it can't be strategy, right? Because that is who she is.
Right.
But her strategy in real life is to play that role of talking negatively. She calls herself Kaleshi
rebel-
and all of that.
the rebel
the
kid.
rebel kid and Kaleshi Aurat also.
Kaleshi Aurat, yeah,
Yeah.
that's there, yeah.
Because that's how she makes a living. It's
Yeah,
sad, but that's how she makes a living.
Yeah,
So,
I mean, she got off being like someone who vents on the video.
yeah, so now she's very like disrespectful and talking
Sad.
very negatively about everyone, which is great, good for her. She's putting on a good show, but
That's how she's positioning her in the market.
Yeah.
Let's just
Yeah,
put it like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
Who do you think was, or should I say is, considering the show to hamare liye is going on? Who according to you was like a really strong player and a really weak player out of the 20 contestants?
I think I'm a very strong player. Thank
That
you.
तो we know. First episode में ही सब वो establish हो गया था. सब डर गए थे, निकाल दिया. And who do you think? I mean,
No, I'm kidding. I'm actually not a strong player,
No?
to be honest. I mean, I am, but I'm also not because इसमें voting system है.
Right.
And voting में you need clout.
right.
And to get clout, you need to be somebody who gels with the rest of the people, which I don't, right? Because I'm a complete different person. ये लोग सारे showbiz से हैं,
Yeah,
मैं बाहर से हूँ, तो वो मेरा clout नहीं बना कि मैं अगर मेरे को किसी के लिए vote करना है तो सब मेरे को follow करे. But I had the balls to stand away from the crowd and say, okay, this is my, decision, even though it is wrong. Anshula के पीछे पड़ गई बेचारी Anshula. And so I would say strong players would be. I really felt surprisingly Jasmine was playing a good game.
Yeah?
अभी देख के पता चल रहा है.
Yeah.
Like even though she was very overwhelmed and she was saying, "अरे मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा," but
Yeah.
she was on it. She knew about Purav, Elnaz, and even Raj.
Yeah, I
throughout.
know. I mean, while seeing the show, Jasmine was the first one to sniff it that Elnaz may be one.
Yeah.
Right? And I
Yeah.
wonder how, because Elnaz was also playing like really well. Like she was being
Elnaz has
very
done a
deceitful
great
in
job.
how
Yeah.
how
Yeah.
she's not the traitor. Duh.
Yeah, she did a great job. In fact, I think Purav and Elnaz have both done a fantastic
Yeah,
job. But
I agree.
Jasmine was onto it throughout. Many episodes she says Elnaz Purav, and nobody else is saying these names. So I'm like, wow, yeah, Jasmine, you got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And who may have been like a weak player?
Weak player. Ashish sir.
Yeah?
He's sleeping.
He's not really contributing, yeah. ना drama हो रहा है, ना कलेश हो रहा है, ना suspicion हो रहा है.
I mean, he's just sleeping from episode 1 onwards.
Yeah.
मेरे को लगा he started sleeping when I came back, like third, fourth
Yeah.
episode onwards. But turns out शुरू से ही वो सो रहे हैं.
स्टार्टिंग में उनके पीछे पड़ गए थे ना कि आशीष सर इन्वॉल्व ही नहीं हो रहे, शायद वही ट्रेटर है. उनका ऐसे हो रहा था ना कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. इज नॉट बीइंग, who knows.
Yeah.
Who among all the players, I think we know the answer to this, but let's hear it out. Who among all the players do you think was like a Dershana? A Dershana vibes. You know what Dershana stands for?
Yeah, like
Yeah.
I'm the shit. Like that?
Yeah. मैं जो, that's it.
Oh, of course, Apurva.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's had that vibe throughout the show. You
yeah,
think?
yeah,
Yeah.
she has. But then she's also been wrong about everything else since Raj.
Yeah, the first one she really hit bullseye.
Yeah.
उसके बाद से I was actually very impressed of how she dissected everything in the first, Shakka circle.
Yeah.
And she got everyone convinced. Like, I think she could be a good lawyer.
Yeah, probably.
है ना? वो अपना
Probably.
argument.
Actually, like the other contestants mentioned that वो डर गए थे because Raj had actually made friends with everyone. They're like, now the first person, we know he's the traitor, but we are embarrassed to like tell
Yeah.
him. So people were just warming up to the format.
Right.
And I think Apurva and Raj didn't become very good friends, so she was able to talk about it. But everyone else was very friendly with Raj.
Right,
so-
right. A lot of them
But everyone's
cried
like, मेरे को
also.
तो पता है ये है.
Yeah, but a lot of them cried also at the end of it when they realized that Raj was actually innocent and they killed him,
No,
eliminated him.
you're talking about
Oh,
Karan.
sorry, Karan, I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
you're
My
talking
bad,
about Karan. Yeah,
my
yeah,
bad,
yeah.
guys. I got both the Kundras.
Yeah.
That
That's
happened.
okay.
If Nikita got a chance on the first day to eliminate someone, who would that be?
I wasn't there, but obviously तब देख के तो मेरे को पता चल रहा है how much Raj Kundra became like so,
Right.
you know, overdoing everything. It was too
थोड़ा obvious हो गया था.
He's very cute, yeah, so cute, and he's like my baby. सही कह रही थी.
झूठ नहीं बोल सकता मैं.
So cute.
और जब फर्स्ट डे पे जब आप एलिमिनेट हुए थे,
Yeah.
if you were the last one and you had to pick someone,
Urfi.
yeah, it would have
Urfi.
been Urfi.
Because she is a solid player.
Yeah.
She, like मैंने कहा ना, clout बहुत important है,
Yeah.
क्योंकि voting system है, vote
Right.
लोग follow करते हैं एक दूसरे को, तो Urfi is the one who can, who
Pull,
has that ability
right.
to you know, be influential to people कि अच्छा let's vote. वो जो कहती है इसको वोट करेंगे तो 2 3 4 5 लोग मान जाते हैं. So
Damn God.
she's 5 votes,
Wow.
which is very strong. So I would be like no Urfi, please.
Urfi real life influencer है.
Yeah, she is. She's very good.
Shall we talk about poker and how you got into it? Like when were you into it? Poker से आपकी सबसे पहली मुलाकात कब हुई थी?
I mean, I started playing online, like for, you know, not for money or anything. Facebook पे एक app होती थी. So I just started playing for fun. I realized the mathematical nature of it. I was drawn कि wow, it's a brain वाला game, so I can you know.
You were always drawn to maths or what?
Yeah. I was always drawn to math, और मेरे को थोड़ा लगा कि I can, you know, basically I was playing and something befell my family. A big tragedy happened in my family,
Sorry.
and at that time, this was my escape. Like this was my few hours of, you know, just forgetting about everything.
Distraction.
And, yeah, it was my distraction. So I started getting better at it. I started, you know, showing up for some real life tournaments in Goa and all. And while my family was dealing with this adversity, which has been going on since many years, in fact, and then poker brands started recognizing me. So I always say that I didn't happen to poker. Poker happened to me. Because I went out, I'm a very conventional family background, no? Like military father, mom was a principal and teacher. And I was also going a very conventional, I want to do investment banking, something like that. But I just got so many offers that I just couldn't refuse. Like poker companies approaching me saying, we want you to work with our team.
Right.
We want you to head, you know, vertical in our company.
Wow.
And we want you to be the face of the brand. And we want you to travel all over the world. मैंने कहा अब इसको कैसे मना करेगा कोई?
This
You know,
has
you're
come
early
into मेरे पास चल के आया.
yeah, early 20s when you're getting such an
Yeah.
offer to travel the world and all. I said, let's do it.
And when you decided to take up poker professionally and you मतलब घर पे बताया आपने तो how was
Yeah.
that received?
Initially, like they were obviously very skeptical because वो बाकी आप सब जैसे सोचते हैं वो gambling है and all वो सोचते थे, but then I was able to, you know, show them the data that it is actually a skill game. People do it competitively. जैसे chess tournaments होते हैं, लोग poker tournaments खेलते हैं, and they saw me training in a very athletic way. They saw me doing it in a very formal training way, working with the best coaches, getting the right results. Then I started getting covered in, you know, A-line media like Vogue and Cosmopolitan, Economic Times.
Kudos to you for that.
Yeah, thanks. So from going like, अरे ये poker खेल रही है to wow ये poker खेल रही है. It went from like being something not cool to extremely cool कि देखो ये
Unconventional to extraordinary. ऐसे वो
yeah,
हो गया,
exactly,
right?
exactly. So that was a big shift, which happened obviously when you prove yourself over time.
Right.
So that's when.
Do you remember your first ever professional poker tournament?
I think it was in Goa and मैंने first tournament में एक trophy लेके आई थी. So
We've got a winner, guys.
yeah. So तब से it's been quite you know a thing that I feel like I'm good at and I need to explore more.
Wow.
But it is unconventional and अब मेरे से काफी लोग पूछ रहे हैं is showbiz the next thing?
Yeah. Is it? Is it?
I
Like if like जैसे poker चल के आपके पास आया तो you were like how can I say no to this? अगर
yeah.
कोई interesting सा web series या फिर किसी film में you get to play a poker player. Why not?
Why not? Yeah. I need something with substance. That has to be.
That has to, yeah.
Yeah, I can't be like damsel in distress.
Aww.
I'm the strong female figure.
सबसे बड़ा like recently I saw one of your clips when I was researching about you where you were I think playing opposite David Williams
Right. Yes.
and it was an all-in that you went for.
Yeah.
And I was 2 मिनट के लिए मैं डर गई थी. Not because of the all in that she went for, but just like the emotion she had on her face. She was like, I'm business. Don't
Yeah.
mess with me.
Yeah.
And that I was really impressed.
Okay.
What was the conversation that was going on in your head when you were
Yeah.
playing that game?
So see, poker, no, it really teaches you a lot of mental toughness
Yeah.
because you're faced with a high stakes situation and you have to make a decision which could be, you know, in terms of winning or losing, you can just win
Right.
everything or lose everything,
Right.
right? That is all in a fold. So one of the things I've learned over time is that women are consistently underestimated. Wherever you go, women are not, you know, given the benefit of doubt to have an extra pair of balls. Sorry for my language. Can I say that?
It's true.
Yeah. So for me, I realized that very early on, and I started using that as a strategy.
Right.
That nobody is going to expect a girl
Yeah.
from India
Yeah.
who looks like this, quite
Yeah.
feminine, doesn't look like threatening.
Yeah, no,
you
absolutely
know?
not. She's
And-
gorgeous, guys.
Oh, thanks. But you know, basically, who can pull off a big move like that?
Yeah.
Like when I am going all in with absolutely nothing, a man would not expect that.
Right.
And that is my superpower.
Wow.
Being underestimated constantly is my superpower, and I know how to use it as a weapon. And I hope like women out there also recognize that that is their superpower and not slip into say victim mentality कि मेरे
Right.
साथ ऐसे हो रहा है, मेरे बारे में ऐसा सोच रहे हैं,
Right.
मेरे को underestimate कर रहे हैं, नहीं.
Use it to your advantage.
Exactly. There you go. Yeah.
How can you tell if someone is bluffing, Nikita?
अच्छा, there are एक तो gut instinct होती है.
Yeah? I was gonna ask you, is poker about gut instincts or is it observation based?
No, no. It's very scientific.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah. So I'll tell you some things
Please.
which are my secrets, but I'll tell you because I like you.
Let's spill the tea.
Yeah, so there are body language tells. So when somebody is lying to you, also you can look out for these things. Number one thing is the whites of your eyes. Okay, if your eyes are like relaxed, like that,
Yeah.
then usually you are not under stress. But when your body's under stress, when you're lying about something big and you're being put on the spots,
Right.
you know, your eyes will be a little wider. There'll be more. The whites of your eyes will be more visible.
Oh.
Number one thing that comes in your eyes. So you should notice people's eyes. Okay. Also, how the smile reaches your eyes. Like, does it reach your eyes or is it like a
Is it like a
straight
fake smile?
or is-
Yeah.
That is another thing. Another thing is, of course, heartbeat and all, which, you know, on poker tables, it's kind of like you can see, like, over here, you can
waves.
see the, yeah. We
you
look
can
out
tell?
for that, yeah. We can tell. But in everyday life, it's a little hard. Then there's the pitch of your voice.
Oh.
So if you are bullshitting,
Hmm.
your voice is a little thinner and higher.
Okay.
Whereas regular relaxed voice, when you're actually speaking the
It's
truth,
more
will be
bassy
deeper.
and otherwise it's pitchy,
Correct.
right? Yeah, interesting.
There's body language. Like if I'm sitting like this,
Yeah.
Defensive. I'm like closed and I have
Yeah.
some things to hide. And if I'm like sitting like this or like with my, you know, right now though, of course, I'm doing an interview, guys. I can't spread my legs. So, but these are the certain things that
Right.
you learn about body language.
And when you are bluffing, अगर आप bluff कर रहे हो तो you make sure that the whites of your eyes are not as visible.
Yeah,
आपकी
yeah.
smile मतलब आप खुद को ground करने की कोशिश
so
कर
I
रहे हो.
know how the antidotes to that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you have figured. My God.
Yeah. So poker, if you see poker played at the highest levels, no, you'll be like basically seeing statues.
Yeah.
Like कि क्या freeze हो गया video,
Right.
but because people are just sitting like this.
That brings
That's
me
it.
to your poker face. Can we please have it? Can we please have Nikita Luthar do her poker face and see how she's been winning all this while? Please.
It's very boring.
Come
This is
on, you winning.
expressionless.
Let's not underestimate the poker face.
Okay, cool.
That's how she's done it at the poker tables and the traitors,
So
guys. So you know now. Nikita, what's the inner monologue that's going on when you're playing? जब आप किसी game के बीच हो. Whether you're winning, whether you have a winning, you know,
Yeah.
streak of cards or not. आपके अंदर क्या डायलॉग चल रहा होता?
It's a very interesting question you ask. Can I go a little philosophical with it?
Please.
So, like poker teaches you that the biggest enemy in your life is you.
Wow.
It's nobody else. Nobody else is sabotaging you. Nobody else is. Actually, you are the one who has all the tools.
Right.
Like, even if somebody is like attacking you,
Right.
you have the tools, you have the choice of how you respond to that.
Right.
You have the things like self-belief. People always falter on self-belief कि अपने में believe नहीं करते, लोगों को imposter syndrome
Yeah.
होता है. If you need to believe in yourself, you need to have that confidence. So the inner dialogue is basically you versus you.
Yeah.
And you're like, no, I can do this. No, I can't do this. I can do this. No, I don't deserve this.
Yeah.
There's a lot, like, your mind has the ability to spiral into all sorts of zones.
Right.
So that is why the right kind of mindset is really important, not just to excel in a game, but also in life,
life,
and realizing that people think that they're a victim of their circumstances
Yeah.
or something like that. Actually, you choose how you respond and how you get up from adversity. आप कैसे आगे बढ़ते हो, and that is what poker teaches you, because you will lose some hands,
Yeah.
you will win some hands, but the trick is to get over the hands that you lose and only focus on the wins and look at failures as just one step
Stepping
closer to
stones,
success.
yeah. What was Nikita like before poker, and poker की वजह से निकिता में क्या changes हुए हैं?
Poker has given me a way of expressing myself, my freedom, my ability to be able to stand against the crowd and not
Right.
follow the herd, to be able to, just challenge typical thinking. I'm not saying कि सबको करना चाहिए. I'm not, none of that. But it's given me that platform.
Yeah.
That I am able to show that you can stand on your own terms. You can be self-made. You can make a mark as a woman in a male-dominated world. And that is what I've learned. That is poker.
Yeah.
That is Nikita after poker. Yeah.
Like Traitors में हमने देखा that everyone considered you a threat and everyone was kind of intimidated by you. आप जब से poker player बने हो, आपके real life में ऐसा कभी हुआ है that someone is maybe intimidated by your presence?
Oh, loads. Since
Yeah?
before poker, since after poker,
Yeah?
a lot of women. I face a lot of for lack of a better word, jealousy. Yeah, because they don't like girls that are, so free.
Yeah.
Freedom देके लोग डर जाते हैं.
Yeah.
And they don't like that, कि वो इतने conventional mindset में फंसे हुए हैं, follow कर रहे हैं तब से, and there's somebody who's constantly proving them wrong in such a different field, and I think they are threatened by that.
Yeah.
And but they don't realize that they can also just be whoever they want.
Yeah, and maybe like we said, channel what's within, take advantage of how
Exactly.
people are underestimating you.
Yeah, and a very fundamental thing people forget is that there's enough for everybody.
Yeah.
People think that this is somehow a zero sum. Life is a zero sum game. कि अगर किसी को जीतना है तो किसी को हारना है. Actually, life is not like that. Life is endless opportunity.
How beautiful.
And there is enough for everybody. So why be like? Achha,
Why compete with each other?
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
Let's support each other. That's
Right.
what.
Yeah.
She's thrown me off my game now. इतना philosophical
No.
कर दिया है
Sorry
निकिता
if
ने.
I'm going too philosophical. You can tell me to be
It's
more
nice.
reality
No, I love
TV.
it. I love it. This is a
Okay.
beautiful side of Nikita that's coming out.
Yeah, actually.
Why not?
It's only coming out with you, actually. I think because, yeah, with other people, it's a very surface level conversation.
I'm so glad. Let's talk about life more. I'm all about it. I love like getting to know everyone's like. I believe philosophy can be very subjective. Philosophy about how we perceive things can be
Yeah.
very subjective. हर इंसान का एक अपना नजरिया होता है.
Correct.
और हर इंसान का एक वैलिड रीजन होता है कि उसका नजरिया वैसा क्यों है. So I believe that it's worth hearing someone out on why they
Yeah.
consider, and sometimes you learn so much.
That is why it's so easy to talk to you, because you are open to that
I'm
and
so
you
glad.
see that different perspective.
so
A lot
glad.
of people are not in this day and age.
Let's go back to Nikita,
Okay,
guys.
okay.
शर्म आ गई मुझे. Nikita, tell me, like the poker face has been talked about a lot, and it's been talked about since a long time. बहुत बार हमने ये term poker face सुना है. बहुत बार हम एक दूसरे को बोलते हैं कि it's poker face time or something like that. Poker face, poker के अलावा और कहाँ use किया जा सकता है? What do you think?
Business meetings.
With your boss especially.
With your boss, exactly. Cops.
Oh, have you ever been in a situation like
Traffic cops.
that? Yeah?
Yeah.
Please, you have to tell us.
100%. अरे वो रे फोन पे बात कर रही हूँ नहीं कर रही.
No, but say it with your poker face.
Yeah.
Like, let's go. मैंने आपको पकड़ा है. काय को पूरी? फोन लेके नहीं चलाते.
No phone. You
मैंने
told me off
देखा.
with a different language.
मैंने देखा फोन लेके आप चल रही हो. ये कैसे? This is against the rules.
नहीं मैं टाइम देख रही थी. मैं नहीं चलाती फोन.
मैंने देखा आपको फोन पे बात करते हुए.
अरे मेरे
Nikita's
पापा Air
laughing.
Force
She's
में
lying.
है.
She's not using a poker face. Nikita, come on.
I was gonna say मेरे पापा Air Force में है. वो भी फौज है. Government service जाने
That's
दो.
the bigger ब्रह्मास्त्र. पापा Air Force में. पोकर फेस
I'm
नहीं
full of-
चला तो ये कार्ड प्ले करेंगे
Yeah.
हम, राइट? आई बिलीव एंड बिकॉज I'm
दिल्ली
like
में बोलते हैं ना तू जानता है मेरा बाप.
हाँ.
But actually,
Have you used it
yeah.
ever?
No, I haven't.
No, the poker face does the trick.
Because I'm from very humble beginnings. From there, it's like I'm so powerful and rich or something like that.
So
That is
when poker face comes into my mind, one thing that instantly came into my mind, because I'm a Mumbaikar, I go street shopping and bargaining is a thing. And I believe having a poker face there really makes a difference. नहीं भैया मेरे पास तो इतने ही पैसे हैं. आप दे रहे हो तो बताओ वरना मैं आगे जा रही हूँ. मैं कहीं और से ले लूँगी.
That is so well done. That is
Right?
a great example.
Right? Have you ever bargained in your life?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And, loads of time. We live in India. If you're not bargaining, you're stupid. So
Tell me one line that Nikita always uses when she's bargaining.
इसमें भी मैं scientific हूँ.
Please tell us how.
There's a rule of that it's very hard to do, but there's a rule which teaches you कि आपको जितना पे करना है ना उसका 65% बोलो.
Wow.
So 65%. If you want to pay 1,000 rupees last, you say 650 rupees दूंगी मैं last.
हाँ.
But end में 1,000 देके
खींच के वो आ ही
खींच के. So
जाता
but
है.
he would have started from 2,000 or
Yeah,
something. He
true.
would have started. So there's this rule that they teach you in CIA negotiations and things like that. I learned from this guy.
It's the 65% rule, guys, for bargaining. इसके बाद हम कभी भी केव नहीं करेंगे.
इसको एक बार फैक्ट चेक कर लेना पर.
That's all right.
इंटरनेट पे सीखते हैं. इंटरनेट यूनिवर्सिटी, व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी.
That's all right. Nikita,
Yeah.
if you weren't a poker player, what would you be doing? If you weren't a
Oh.
professional poker player, like if this wasn't your career,
Yeah.
primary career.
I think I would be somewhere in the world of entrepreneurship because
Yeah.
that is also as uncertain as poker.
Yeah.
And उसमें भी काफी variables होते हैं that it's like a game.
Right.
Entrepreneurship is a great game.
Right.
So I would start some business now. I don't know which business.
कभी ऐसे
Maybe-
सोचा था कि अगर लाइफ में आगे जाके मुझे शायद ये ऐसा बिजनेस करना बहुत अच्छा लगेगा?
Definitely, I think even like now that I've been in the industry for over a decade, now next step is definitely branching into more things. So
Yeah.
I'm exploring certain things I haven't. I'm not. It's not well formed yet to
Okay.
be able to talk about it. Right,
Right.
now, I'm just enjoying the reality TV
Right.
life. So,
Oh, how sweet.
but
She's a
definitely-
reality TV star in addition to a professional poker player, guys.
yeah, who would have thought those worlds would intersect?
I know, right? It was so amazing.
So, yeah.
Nikita
Enjoying it.
has, I would like to tell everyone, Nikita has flew in from Goa, especially for this podcast with me. Nikita, what were you doing in Goa?
I live in Goa and मैं वहाँ जाके spoil हो गई हूँ. एक बार गोवा में रहते हो ना, it's so peaceful. There is no traffic, no honking. It's just hard to leave. But I think I will have to spend more time in Bombay now, just because you become too laid back. Like you know, you
इतनी
just-
शांति होती है.
Yeah.
And Bombay में चहल पहल all the time.
Yeah.
I'm not complaining.
Pace of life is so slow. वहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिशियन को फोन करो ना, he thinks फोन करके थेरेपी दे रहा है वो, क्योंकि ये प्रॉब्लम है वो प्रॉब्लम है. अच्छा ठीक है. फोन रख दिया. मैंने कहा I didn't want to vent to you. लाइट ठीक करो मेरी. अच्छा ठीक है.
As against-
मैं 2-3 दिन में फोन करता हूँ.
एंड आप जब बॉम्बे आते हो, बिकॉज निकिता हैड मेंशन दिस टू मी दैट वो बॉम्बे में बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करती है बिकॉज उनके बहुत सारी फ्रेंड्स बॉम्बे में. व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट स्पॉट्स इन
Yeah.
बॉम्बे?
There's work in Bombay also. There's friends in Bombay also. So I love Bombay. Favorite spots. I like Bandra a lot. Yeah, of course. Like I'm one of those, you know, there are people divided. So because all my friends are also from Bandra, but there are nothing is immediately coming. I love Izumi.
Oh.
And I love Table, which is in town.
Wow.
Right? Yeah, these are the spots.
I'm gonna have to ask her to take me there because I've never been. See?
Really?
This is the thing about Mumbaikars which I have figured, okay? And correct me if I'm wrong. If you're a Mumbaikar and if this is wrong, correct me. Mumbaikars have not explored Mumbai as much as non-Mumbaikars have.
Really? That's interesting. That's very
Really?
interesting to me.
Like, I may get
Makes
a lot
sense.
of, you know, I don't know, rejection or people may cancel me for this, but I have never been to the beautiful Haji Ali Dargah.
Are you serious?
Yeah. And I'm a Mumbaikar. And I have so many non-Mumbaikar friends who just say that they go there all the time. It's so beautiful.
This
it's
happens.
Yeah.
In Goa also, Goa is such a tourist town. We never go to the tourist spots. Not never, but less on the tourist spots, and we have our own places.
क्योंकि
that we
थोड़ा
go
सा
to.
लेट बैक हो जाता है ना, ऑफिस से घर पे जाके ताकत नहीं होती है गाइस.
Yeah.
वीकेंड पे कब
Only
जाए?
घर की मुर्गी दाल
दाल बराबर, थोड़ा सा वैसा वाला सीन है. So मैं especially I ask my non-Mumbaikar friends what they have explored because every time I ask someone, I find out something new about Bombay. That's how I am exploring my own city.
That's lovely. Actually, Bombay is so much traffic. ना explore भी क्या करो? You have to go at 5 in the morning if you want to explore.
That's
anything.
also very, very, very true. It's a harsh truth.
It's my personal hell. Traffic is my personal.
Yeah, me too. But I'm very proud to tell you that the minute I know it's peak hours and there's going to be traffic, I take the train or I
Yeah.
take the metro. I am not going on the road by any chance. I don't care.
I have to give it to the city. They have really solved the traffic
Ah.
problems, like with the train, metro, this new ceiling.
It's our
Everything is
heartbeat.
top class. I love
Yeah,
it.
I'm glad. I hope Nikita keeps coming to Bombay often and I hope that she takes me out to one of these places in Bombay that she loves and helps me explore my city.
Done. Now
उनके नजरिए से.
Yeah, you have to keep up with this promise now.
I will.
I'm taking you.
I will.
Yes.
निकिता, मैंने स्टार्टिंग ऑफ दिस एपिसोड मेरे ऑडियंस को प्रॉमिस किया था कि निकिता से हम एक हिंट लेंगे कि इस शो में जीत कौन रहा है, ट्रेटर्स में जीतने कौन वाला है. Is there like a so surface level hint that you can give us?
Someone you would never expect.
Could that be Nikita? But I low-key, like somewhere I feel that you could be winning. So
I can't give my poker face. I can't give anything away.
guys, we gotta wait to check out who wins actually in the traitors. But for now, this is it from our side. Thank you, Nikita, for joining me on this episode.
Thank you. What a lovely conversation. I'm
Thank
glad
you.
we did this. Thank you.
Radio City. Radio City. Radio City. रग रग में दौड़े सिटी.